In 2025, the quest for financial freedom is more attainable than ever, as impressive opportunities unfold. With the right strategies, you can earn money while you sleep, establishing pathways to a more secure financial future. Picture a life where your income thrives outside of the traditional 9-to-5 job, allowing you to explore various passions without the burden of financial stress. Let's embark on a journey through some of the most effective passive income streams and side hustles that are exciting the world this year. To start, passive income stands as a beacon of hope for those seeking financial independence. Imagine owning rental properties where each rental check represents not only money earned but freedom gained. With the surge of platforms like Airbnb, short-term rentals have become lucrative ventures. But remember to conduct thorough research to understand local regulations and market demands. As you envision this steady income stream, also consider the era of dividend stocks and ETFs, where invested capital turns into regular, reliable income. A wise investment decision resembles planting seeds. With time, they grow into a flourishing income garden. Lastly, think about the creative potential of digital products. Crafting ebooks or online courses offers a chance to share knowledge with the world, while generating income endlessly after the initial effort. Examining side hustles reveals the abundance of ways to supplement your income flexibly. Visualize yourself as a freelance writer or copywriter, transforming your knack for words into a profitable venture. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect skilled individuals with businesses eager for stellar content. As you navigate this landscape, the role of a virtual assistant beckons, a fusion of organization and flexibility that allows you to collaborate with varied clients. Picture engaging discussions in online tutoring sessions, where you share your expertise and impact students' lives around the globe. The art of selling online, whether handmade crafts or digital designs, integrates creativity with entrepreneurship, a powerful blend in today's e-commerce platforms. Finally, consider the world of social media management, where your skills can shape brand narratives, engage audiences, and contribute to a company's success. Each of these paths presents not just opportunities, but the power to redefine your professional journey. As you embark on this exciting venture, envision yourself setting achievable goals and conducting invigorating research and preparation. Taking action is the crucial final step. In every grand journey, the first step is often the most daunting yet rewarding. Each idea transforms into reality as you chisel out a unique pathway to financial independence. Remember that success stems from persistence and adaptability as you navigate the landscape of income generation. With a focus on strategic moves and a willingness to learn, financial freedom in 2025 is not just a dream, it's entirely within reach.